Hey guys, Kip and Christina Steinbrook here, Superstar Directors for the Fresh Sense of Smell Air, Scentsy Fragrance. I ordered a box of just stuff. I'm gonna tag Kip Steinbrook in the video, yes. Okay, I ordered a box of stuff. It's a bunch of stuff. Really random stuff, so we're just gonna kind of go through it. I've got new oils, I've got new consultant tools, all kinds of stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. So these are Katie Brown's Go Pods, but I've not smelled these Go Pods, so I'm gonna open them. Katie, Go-Go Mango in a Go Pod. I love Go-Go Mango. Yeah, it's probably one of my favorite new smells.
Wow.
Isn't that good? That's a pod. That's for the Scentsy Go.
I haven't seen any pods except for the old ones.
Yeah. These are newer ones. This is sea salt and avocado. I know. It makes me want to go buy some new ones for... No, I didn't get a haircut. I just kind of tried to curl it today.
It looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. It does.
I think it looks a little... like I want to be one of those girls that can curl her hair without looking like she's dressed up. Like, I love the ones that, curl their hair and then they go out and they wear, sweatpants and a t-shirt and they don't look dressed up. They just look adorable naturally. But mine always looks extra dressed up when I curl it. But this is what it is. Okay. These are good, Katie. Good choices, Katie Brown.
Yeah, they're really good.
Really good choices, Katie Brown. You'll be satisfied with your selections. Whoa, this is going right into all the random. I bought a bunch more of my mini testers. I have a bunch more basket parties to get out, so I needed to get more of those. Light bulbs. I was running low on bulbs. Okay. Okay, so I want to try to get... Okay, I bought the... I think it's called Wash for Change. Wash for a Change. Maybe it says it on here. No, it doesn't. But I bought the Habitat for Humanity laundry bundle, which I'm excited about. It's pristine waters for laundry. And then I also bought, because I didn't own it yet, the Habitat for Humanity warmer, which I'd had my eyes on for a really long time. Which is just the house. It's just a white house, which I'm really excited about. I think I'm going to find a place to put it because I really like it and I've wanted it for a while. I don't know where yet, but we'll find a place. Even over there would be really cool, or in the kitchen somewhere. Okay, so this is the warmer. If you want to pull out, this is these right here, and then that laundry liquid. So this is all the Habitat for Humanity stuff. She said she loves the sign.
Oh yeah, the Jesus thing.
Okay, so what is that? Yeah, go for it. That's Jammy Time Scent Soft. I didn't have any of that yet. And we have a lot of Jammy Time laundry stuff, but I hadn't bought new Scent Soft since we ran out of our Luna. So I'm excited about that.
Yeah, we are actually out of
the laundry liquid.
Completely.
Oh, so now we have more. Well, it's Jammy Time.
Yeah. Here's Pristine Waters laundry liquid.
I'm excited about this though because this is the new 6 enzyme improved formula. I'm excited to try it. Let me open these if you want to smell these.
Yeah,
do you remember what Pristine Water smells like? Oh, I
don't remember what it smells like.
It's it's a man smell.
Oh man, that's good.
It's so good.
It's really good.
I'm really excited about this. Literally, he's gonna be like, I'm gonna go do laundry now. Yeah. So if you've been itching for a man smell in laundry,
I'm really down with this.
And you want to help a charitable cause, Habitat for Humanity right now.
It's not that manly, but
it's good. It's got that sandalwood, just earthy, good smell.
Clean too.
Yeah, it's very herbalicious and clean. So this is the Pristine Waters Wash for Heart. Maybe that's what it is. Habitat for Humanity laundry bundle. It's only $40. You get 2 tubs of whiffs and you get the laundry liquid, which is new and improved. But you guys already loved the laundry liquid, so I'm pretty excited about it being improved when it was already the best there ever was. But it's only $40 for that bundle, and $9 of that goes to Habitat for Humanity, which is all of Scentsy's difference between what they pay the consultants and what it costs to make. So Scentsy doesn't keep a dime of it. It all goes back to Habitat for Humanity. So there's that. So that has $9 that goes back. And then I'm going to show you this warmer. This also has $9 that goes back. This is the Built with Love warmer for Habitat for Humanity. It's really, really pretty. I'm not going to turn it on just because it's all white. You kind of get the picture. It's one of my favorite kind though, where they have the clear dish so the light goes all the way through up into the lid. That is a new thing they've been doing that I think is just genius, because the ones that were glowy below but not the top were kind of silly. So this is the new This is not new. This actually came out last catalog, but I hadn't gotten it yet. So when I was thinking about buying the laundry this time, I was like, I need to just get that warmer. I've been wanting it. But we're going to probably try to commit to using Pristine Waters laundry as often as possible during the Habitat for Humanity campaign, because if we're using anyway, we might as well be giving back while we wash our laundry, right? So I am loving the fragrance too, so it's not hard to do. So this is the built with of warmer. The little clear dish would go on top, and then you've got your lid. It's really, really pretty, and it's just white. So it will go with everything. So if you just need a warmer that's gonna go with everything, and again, wanna give back, this is that kind of warmer. So I'm just gonna shove this back in here, kind of haphazardly. If that gives anybody anxiety, I apologize. But we're gonna move on. Because I also forgot that I bought the new oils to smell. I'm really excited about this too.
What's this?
Those are some consultant tools. I am not gonna. It's in here very well. Let's just go behind you.
Yeah.
Awesome. So there's some new stuff. I was perusing the workstation, and there seemed to be some new items. What is this? I gotta look in here. Some new items in the family store. So I bought them. Oh, this is Lisa Law. Your dish is in. So there's some newer items in the family store. So I just wanted to buy them because I needed to send some Happy Mail to some teammates. So there's a few things in here that I grabbed. First of all, I grabbed these new bags. They're kind of like clear. I can't really tell what they do, but they're like collapsible shopping bag things. Okay, what were they called? It doesn't say it on here. I forget what the like actual name of these bags are, but they were new.
Yeah, it doesn't say.
It might say on here. Sorry guys, this is really exciting. Just says one tote. Okay,
tote
these
bag.
are new,
Kind of clear.
but I think they're meant to be like
Semi-clear.
somewhat like collapsible. This
Like
is
you can just,
probably
like-
not how you're supposed to be doing it.
You can actually ball it up into
Yeah.
a little ball.
And then there's
Crumple
like
it up or whatever.
there's like a little tether. So that's probably literally not what you're supposed to do with it. Hey Scentsy, make a video, figure it out. But they're really, really, really nice. They're really heavy duty, but they're clear. Like they're kind of like you can see my hand through it, I think. Can you see my hand? It's like, it's really cool. They're really nice. But I'm gonna give those away as some team prizes and stuff. Another thing that I saw in the family store that seemed new were these like really cool like sticky note sets. It comes in like an acrylic, it's an acrylic box, and there's a ton of cute sticky notes on there. Isn't that awesome? So one of them says, don't forget, if you can dream it, you can do it, today, tomorrow, later, and then just some general sticky notes that say Scentsy. All of them are branded with the consultant logo. They're so cute. But yeah, it comes in like an acrylic box with the consultant logo, and there's several different things. But these were really cheap too, like $4.50 maybe? Like really cheap. Great for team prizes, Happy Meal, and stuff like that. So I logged on and saw some really, I don't know if some of this is new or it's been around, but it was the first time I saw it, so I bought it. The other thing I have is these little lapel pins. I've seen that people have been buying lapel pins again a lot. Like they're all over Instagram and stuff. So I was like, hey Scentsy, way to be on it. So they're really cute lapel pins with Scentsy branded stuff. So I thought those would be fun for team prizes as well. So I got the totes, I got the stickies, and I got the lapel pins. I thought those would be fun prizes for teammates. So, and then the rest is Katie Brown's Jammy Time washer whiffs and some more bulbs because I needed them. So we do have a first sniffs right now to do though. I bought the transition oils finally for the March catalog. So these are the oils that were not in the last catalog but are new this time. So I'm excited to smell them. I haven't smelled any of them yet. And I'm really excited. I'm told that these are probably one of our best transition sets we've ever had, which excites me. Okay, so there's 5 of them. We have lemon lavender rain, cherry berry chamomile, coconut sugar, passion fruit bamboo flower, and grapefruit blood orange. I'm told that the lemon lavender rain is epic. So I kind of want to save it for last. Which one do you think we should smell first?
The passion fruit bamboo flower.
He wants passion fruit bamboo flower.
There's a lot going on there.
It is.
Sounds like.
Ooh, that's good. Very fruity. I'm excited. I kind of want to go put these in the diffuser like right now. It's very fruity, kind of candy. It smells like kind of like a passion, like it smells exactly like passion fruit. Mm-hmm. It's very heavy on the passion fruit, which I like to eat and smell passion fruit.
It's invigorating. It's like energizing.
It's invigorating.
Yeah, I like it.
It smells like you just threw a bunch of these fruits in the blender and just blended it up.
It's very
very fresh.
Mm-hmm. That's energizing, the smell.
He's hopping. That's how he knows. That's how you know it's energizing. It's really good. You can smell absolutely a lot of passion fruit in a good way. It's very, very good. What do you want next?
You pick next.
Grapefruit blood orange. I'm not a huge grapefruit fan, so. Hi, Katie Brown. I just showed them all your stuff. You missed it. Oh, this is for grapefruit. I love that. I think it's more heavy on the blood orange. That is so good.
Very citrusy, orangey, but not like straight up orange.
It smells like spring.
Oh, it's good though.
It's so good. I don't usually like grapefruit. This is so good. It makes me want to go eat grapefruit.
That smells really
good. It's really good. I was really surprised by that one.
It's very refreshing. Like you wake up in the morning, you want to smell that.
Yes, first thing.
And make a pot
This will
of
get
coffee.
you out of bed.
Oh, it's good.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. It makes me want to buy a diffuser for the kitchen. This is so good. I'm so sorry. We're going to like, this is so good. We need to move along, but like grapefruit blood orange is life-changing. Mm-hmm. So if you're looking for a new oil.
Refreshing and invigorating and energizing.
Oh
and all
my
those
gosh.
things.
You can smell exactly grapefruit and exactly blood orange. Mm-hmm. That's one thing I do love about our oils is if you want something to smell exactly like it says, that's what these will smell like. Like all of our oils are named what they are. Yeah, so if you want grapefruit blood orange, imagine that. That's what it's going to smell like. It's super good. I'm so used to smelling our wax and stuff, which is just made differently, whereas these are all derived naturally. And so it's really interesting smelling exactly what you were expecting. So this one's cherry berry chamomile. It's very berry. It's very cherry and berry. It's good though. Kind of smells like candy, like kind of like a...
There's a candy smell to
kind of like just like a cherry sucker, but not in like a medicinal cherry way, which is really hard to do, I feel like. But it doesn't smell like medicine. And that's really encouraging.
The chamomile kind of comes through as well as like an after smell-ish type thing.
An after smell.
Like the first thing you smell is like the most obvious thing, which is like the cherry stuff. Mm-hmm. The chamomile does come through the back, and it's very calming. This is a good, this is a calming smell. It's the opposite of the last two we smelled. It's more of a peaceful, relaxing, calming smell.
Which for being fruity, I feel like is really unique.
Different.
The cherry and the berry are equal. Like, you smell it and you think you're smelling cherry, but then when you breathe hard enough, it's berry, or you'll smell it, you think you're smelling berry, and you breathe hard enough, it's cherry. They're probably exactly equal parts.
If you know what chamomile smells like, it has that.
That's why he's feeling relaxed.
It's very calming. It is. It's it just is very.
It is good. It's really good.
Smell.
These are all good. They weren't joking. We have coconut sugar next, and then lemon lavender rain. Possibly. Yeah, it's not. There it is. Had a hard time breaking the seal. Coconut sugar.
Coconut sugar.
Oh, that's good. It's very baked goods, just spun sugar. It's good. It smells like coconut and sugar. Mm-hmm. Kind of a brown sugar. It's really good.
Yeah, it's like straight up brown sugar smell.
If you guys were missing vanilla, nutmeg, cardamom, this is a really, really good replacement.
It's like a vanilla brown sugar smell.
Mm-hmm. It's very light on the coconut.
Combined. Interesting. Very different from the other ones.
Yeah, that's yummy though. It's a very sweet smell. Mm-hmm. Lemon lavender rain. I'm excited about this one. I'm told it's epic. Are you ready for some epic? Yeah, it's epic. That's so good. That's totally up our alley. We love these kinds of smells.
From over there. Hang on, I gotta get a...
He's gonna get a fresh whiff.
A fresh whiff.
A fresh whiff. Oh. Isn't that good?
I'm down with it.
Lemon lavender rain.
Wow. That was a great idea for what? No.
I want to smell again.
I'm smelling it right now.
I'll smell the lid. It's like ridiculously clean smelling.
Oh my gosh.
Like
if the bathroom could smell like this after every shower.
It could. Just put a couple drops in the bottom of the shower.
So good. It smells like
this is what you want your house to smell like when you've just spent all day scrubbing it.
And it rained outside, so you open the windows, and this smells like heaven.
Like you literally washed all the sheets, all the
Everything's
curtains.
Clean.
You scrubbed your floors. You scrubbed everything. This is what you want that smell to be. This is so good. Lemon lavender rain. I'm gonna have to go buy a big bottle of this.
If you're someone who likes baths, maybe even just drop a couple of drops into your bath with that. It smells amazing.
It's heaven.
I just want to sit there and smell it forever.
I don't want to move from this position. I just want to smell this smell.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Lemon lavender rain. If you're looking for like the most perfect fragrance in every possible way.
Genius smell.
And you're oily. And you want a natural home fragrance. This is your... Oh, this is so good. I'm in heaven. Lemon lavender rain. Life-changing.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm going to go put some water in the diffuser.
And
we're going to make this happen.
That.
I know, and I thought we were going to do...
It's springtime.
One of the others, but we're going to do it. It's flawless.
Perfect.
It's so good. So, that is everything. Yeah. So, you guys have a great day. Bye.